Kayce Nation? It's your girl Kayce, and I'm back with another freaking video. And in today's video, we're gonna be trying some Turkish snacks. It's called munchies. Turkey munchies. Turkish monkey. Video. So we're gonna try these snacks, you guys. We're gonna tell you guys what they taste like. So they're from Turkish. I don't know what's Turkish.
From Turkey, I keep telling you.
I don't know what that
Stephanie said Turkey's a country.
Okay, what do you want to try first?
I really want. Let's have the taco chips.
Eat the chips. Okay.
They're called F-Same Taco.
We're gonna eat. I don't know what they taste like.
They don't smell.
They don't smell the same.
They don't smell
the same.
They look like crackers. I'm gonna just say that. They got little holes in them and everything.
Oh, they do look like a cracker. You like it?
No,
like a cracker.
It tastes how it smells.
It do.
Like.
What does it smell like?
It smells
like I'm gonna be honest.
a cracker.
It tastes like a. I don't know. I don't like that though. I don't like that. I ain't even gonna finish that.
Okay, what should we try next?
It don't taste like taco.
Next, we're gonna try this.
You gotta pronounce it.
Biscolata.
All right.
Biscolata sticks. Look what it say.
Biscolata. She said it right. Sticks. They look like some type
Stop
of
shading.
like cookie dipped in chocolate.
We gotta eat the biscolatas.
It looked like Nutella with the little stick. It's already pre-made Nutella sticks.
At the little Asian shops, and they got the pink and the brown. Wow, yeah, it looks like the Asian shops.
This one's yours.
It's Pocky.
This is what it is.
That's regular old Pocky.
Okay.
Yep. All right.
A chocolate taki. It tastes good. It tastes good. Good.
Okay. This is better than that damn chip cracker.
This right here is called a peyote. Dank peyote. Paul, what do you think it say?
That says potty.
Potty.
I don't know. Wait,
This a potty. Drake. Potty. Potty.
A potty. It don't say what it got on it, like what it is. It's just in its own language, huh?
This just say a whole bunch of small words. I cannot. Drake, what the?
It looks like some type of pumpkin spice bread.
I don't even know how it tastes.
With carrots. Maybe like some type of carrot cake. I don't know.
It does look like
They got cinnamon and carrots.
it does look like a carrot cake. It's not that bad.
I could eat this with some oranges. It's real dry. It's like almost turning into powder in your mouth, but it don't got a bad taste. They don't. I'm not finishing it though. Set up for the kids.
I can see what it's missing in America type shit, but it's still cool. That's cool.
That's good for some breakfast with some orange juice.
That's a breakfast. What's this called?
This is called a Ditto Trio.
Ditto Trio.
It's like wafer and chocolate layered. Chocolate bar. We greedy as fuck.
Delicious.
We greedy as fuck. Eating all these snacks.
This a mukbang.
Ooh, it's like it tricked us because it got white chocolate on the outside, and then it got chocolate layers inside. Let me show them. Got the layers up in there. I guess I could have gave you the half.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna try it. That other one got me so thirsty.
It's like a king size Kit Kat.
I'm gonna show them the chocolate swirl. You guys see the chocolate swirl?
Stop!
You can edit me out.
Try some snacks.
My two friends.
This is good. This is a good candy bar.
It so is.
I can eat this. That's for sure. It's the white chocolate for me.
Gotta put a little music in there.
Can't, cause we ain't got, you can play your music, but we can't play nobody else.
No, when you edit your video.
You can play your music, but nobody else.
Okay, Jaden heard me say that the chocolate bar is good. He said, save me some.
Yeah.
Hey, that chocolate bar, the Ditto.
10 out of 10.
10 out of
10
10.
out of 10. That was good.
That's good.
It's pretty video.
Wait, taste it.
I'm sure, man, my two videos.
Me too. That was this taste all good.
I need to.
Hold on. We still have like a whole box full.
Let's try the pizza crackers.
This.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Next, we're gonna try this. I think it goes this way. Yeah. We're gonna try this. Yeah, it said pizza crackers. They really do.
Really? Wow. It says crackers with Kayce.
So good, cause they know what type of time we on.
Pizza cracker.
Try one. It don't taste like anything. It tastes like the chocolate I already ate.
Let me show them a chocolate chip swirl.
Exactly.
It tastes like, they cool. I'll fuck them up. If I was at work and I needed a snack, I'll eat the pizza crackers.
I eat pizza cracker. Next, we're gonna try these little bally balls. There's two.
They got a little lime on them, so they look sour.
A little citrusy.
They got a real sour face. You should have shown him.
Look, Malik, they got a sour face. Look.
Come on, you gotta show the video. Look at his face. Hopefully our face turns this way. Cause
That's it.
his shit
She
is.
showed you.
His shit is.
Oh, that's how cute it is. That's how cute it looks. Just like that nigga.
She said.
Hey, it's gonna poop in my room.
Vanessa, put that in your mouth.
Alright, pick it up, Ella.
It's a big one.
And
Pick
it.
it up. Y'all pick that shit?
Oh, pick it.
What?
What is this?
This is sour. You biting it?
Oh, it's gum. It's bubble gum. Ain't good. That little sour thing is just real quick. It's gone. It's got one suck.
It's bubble gum.
It's the bubble gum.
And we got the real bubblegum flavor.
They better than the tear jerkers. Cause them motherfuckers have my motherfucking eyes twitching.
So we're on our last snackie. Everything so far has been really good. I mean, I haven't really had no complaints about anything. So I think I go Turkish and fuck up they.
Oh, fuck, they snapped up. Turn up, snap up.
Okay, well this one's already like
arrange a job and you would pull it off. But this time I'll cover the upfront costs. Call it the price of getting a look at you. And there's no risk to you.
No flavor.
Unless, of course, you count.
I just can't find it.
There's no flavor.
So, you ready? What do you think?
What you think?
Questions, comments, concerns?
It's just
All right. What are you waiting for? Let's go see this place.
like a roll of chocolate, but it's like rolled into nothing.
Yeah, into air.
Paper wafer. Paper wafer.
Pepe.
I've been watching a lot of baking shows. This is what this is. Paper wafer. It don't taste like nothing.
So, we really hope you like this video. We tried some Turkish snacks. I wish I could show you the inbox, but you know, the kids took over. But don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and if you're new to the channel,
Kayce Nation.
subscribe. And we love you guys, and that was the video.
So don't let the cops notice you.